Looking for the best Pioneer DJ controller in 2026? In this video, we review the top Pioneer DJ controllers for beginners, intermediate DJs, and professionals. We'll compare features, performance, build quality, software compatibility, and overall value to help you choose the right controller for home practice, live performances, or club gigs. Stay tuned to discover the best Pioneer DJ controller that matches your budget and mixing style. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX10 Limited Edition is a premium 4-channel DJ controller built for serious performers who use Rekordbox or Serato DJ Pro. Combining professional-grade hardware with innovative creative tools, this controller offers an exceptional mixing experience for club DJs, mobile entertainers, and music producers alike. One of its standout features is track separation, which allows you to isolate and manipulate vocals, drums, and instrument sections from compatible tracks. This opens the door to creative mashups, live remixes, and seamless transitions without requiring separate stems. The expanded on-jog display provides customizable information, including deck status, waveforms, album artwork, or even your DJ logo, keeping essential performance data within easy view. The controller also includes advanced lighting functionality, enabling integration with DMX-compatible lighting systems to create synchronized light shows that automatically respond to your music. Its intuitive layout, bright RGB controls, and professional build quality ensure reliable performance in both studio and live environments. Customer reviews have been overwhelmingly positive. One experienced DJ who previously mixed on classic turntables described the DDJ FLX10 as an incredible all-in-one system that rekindled their passion for DJing, praising its versatility and creative capabilities. Another user upgrading from the DDJ FLX4 highlighted the significantly improved build quality, brighter displays, and better visibility during daytime performances. Overall, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX10 Limited Edition delivers outstanding performance, innovative features, and professional reliability. Whether you're creating advanced remixes or performing live, this controller provides the tools needed to elevate your DJ skills to the next level. Number 2. The Pioneer DJ XDJ RX3 all-in-one DJ system is a powerful standalone controller that brings professional club-style performance into a compact, portable package. Designed for DJs who want to leave their laptop behind, the XDJ RX3 combines intuitive controls, advanced performance features, and excellent sound quality in one versatile unit. Its standout feature is the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen with a 1280 by 800 display, making track browsing, waveform viewing, and playlist management fast and intuitive. The playlist bank lets you save up to 4 playlists for quick access during performances, while the pad status display clearly shows active performance pad functions. Large, touch-sensitive jog wheels with integrated displays provide accurate scratching and pitch control, closely replicating the feel of Pioneer DJ's flagship club equipment. The XDJ RX3 supports USB playback, allowing DJs to perform without a computer while benefiting from the seamless workflow of Rekordbox. Its sturdy construction, responsive controls, and fast loading times make it ideal for mobile DJs, events, and home practice. Users consistently praise the system's professional layout and ease of use. One beginner appreciated that it mirrors the workflow of CDJ 3000 players found in clubs and festivals, making it an excellent platform for developing long-term DJ skills. Another longtime DJ highlighted its reliable standalone performance, quick startup, dual USB slots, and the freedom of no longer needing a laptop, calling it perfect for mobile performances. Overall, the Pioneer DJ XDJ RX3 delivers outstanding reliability, premium features, and professional-level performance, making it one of the best all-in-one DJ systems available for aspiring and experienced DJs alike. Number 1. The Pioneer DJ XDJZ Professional 4-Deck All-in-One DJ System is a flagship standalone controller built for DJs who demand club-level performance, advanced features, and exceptional sound quality. With its professional 4-deck workflow, large touchscreen, and wireless connectivity, the XDJZ delivers everything needed for creative mixing at home, in the studio, or on stage. At the center of the system is a stunning 10.1-inch high-resolution capacitive touchscreen that displays up to 13 tracks simultaneously. Features like Playlist Bank and Touch Preview make browsing and queuing tracks incredibly fast without interrupting your performance. The 4-deck standalone playback allows complete control from a USB drive, eliminating the need for a laptop while providing maximum mixing flexibility. Audio quality is equally impressive, featuring a 115 dB signal-to-noise ratio and extremely low 0.0018% total harmonic distortion for clean, powerful, club-ready sound. Full-size 206mm jog wheels with adjustable tension offer precise scratching and pitch control, while 6-sound color FX and 14-beat FX, including Helix and Mobius, provide endless creative possibilities. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and SonicLink wireless technology add modern convenience with ultra-low latency performance. Users consistently praise the XDJZ for its intuitive club-style layout, expansive touchscreen, and professional feel. One reviewer described it as the perfect platform for improving DJ skills, while another called it a battleship that offers nearly everything a professional DJ could need. Overall, the Pioneer DJ XDJZ is an outstanding investment for serious DJs seeking premium performance, versatility, and future-ready technology. Thanks for watching our Best Pioneer DJ Controllers Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect Pioneer DJ controller for your mixing style and budget. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest DJ gear reviews and buying guides. Have a favorite Pioneer DJ controller or a question? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.